everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you understood the yesterday's topic what I have posted, divisibility rule. And today's topic is prime factorization. So prime factorization is the process of breaking down the composite number into a prime factors. So in this process what we are going to do is one composite number, we are just going to break it and we are going to form a prime factors. So prime factors, essentially it is finding the building blocks, the prime numbers that when multiplied together it is just equal to the original number. So now we will discuss a little bit key concept which have already we discussed in the previous episodes. So if anybody have not seen, please go and check it there. So key concept, composite numbers and prime numbers. So in general we know that composite numbers where it is the greater than 1, the positive integer greater than 1 that has more than 2 factors are known as composite numbers. When it comes to prime numbers, a positive integer greater than 1 that has exactly 2 factors, 1 and itself. So examples of composite numbers are 12, 20, 100 and so on. When it comes to prime factors, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11 and so on. So what is the comparison between composite numbers and prime numbers means? When it comes to a composite numbers, they will be having a 2 or more factors for a one integer, positive integer. But in prime numbers, for positive integer it will be having only 1 and itself. So prime factorization. We'll come back to our topic. So as I told you before, prime factorization is nothing but a breakdowning of the composite numbers in a multiple of prime factors. So let us take one composite number 60. So even in prime factorization there are two types of prime factors. One is factors tree, other one is division method. So even in prime factorization we can find out a multiple of prime factors in two ways. One is factors tree and other one is division method. So first we will look at the factors tree. So now we will break down for the 60. So starting the prime number. So prime numbers it says the starting number of a prime number is 2. So first we will go with the 2. 2 30s. So 2 is already prime number, so we cannot break it. But again 30. 2 15s. So 2 is again prime number, we can't break it. But 15 is still composite number. Again we have to break down it. So but it is not divisible by 2. So we have to move for another prime number. The next prime number is 3. So 3 5s. So 3 is also a prime number, 5 is also a prime number where we cannot divide evenly. So how we will write in a format 60 factors. What are the 60 factors is nothing but 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. These are the factors of 60. So it is in a form of expanded form. In exponential form we will write it as 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. It is exponential format. Exponential form. So to conclude, or if you want to know whether the factors are correct or wrong, so if we multiply these factors, again we are going to get the original format. So 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. So it is a factors tree method. So again we will look after the division method. Now we will discuss about the division method. So I have taken already the same example 60. Prime factors we have to take. I am taking first prime factor is 2. So 2 into 30 is equals to 60. Next again 2. 2 15s. So 5. It's an odd number, so it will not be going by 2. So I am taking 3. Next prime number. 3 5s are 15. So 5 is already a prime number. We cannot split again. So 5 ones are 5. If we write it in a factor method, 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. In exponential method, 2 square into 3 into 5. Let us take another one example. 72. We will do both factor method, factor tree method and division method. So in tree method, again we have to take with the 2. 2 36 are. We can't split 2 because 2 is a prime number. We have to split 36. When we split 36, it goes again with the 2. 2 18s are 36. Again, if we split 18, 2 9s are 18. So 9 will be not going in 2. 3 into 3. It is a factor tree method. In the same pattern, when we come to an division method, the answer will be same, but the process and the writing way will be different. 2 36 are, 2 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. Always the remainder should be 1. Until we get 1, we will be go on dividing. If we write factors for the 72, 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. When we write in exponential form, 2 cube into 3 square. If we multiply, again we are going to get the 72. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 8 3s are 24, 24 3s are 72.